Welcome to MarineMax, Rogers, Minnesota. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and behind me is the Nautique G23 Paragon. We're going to first go over the exterior, then we'll take a peek at the interior. So starting off right away, up in the bow, you have these beautiful daytime running lights that also transition into docking lights at nighttime when you select that option on the link panorama screen. The color is beautiful on this G23. You have the Mystic White with the Admiral Blue hull bottom, the Victory Red accents. It ties in super well. It looks amazing. As we move backward here, you have this very modern designed windshield. You have a 3-stage telescoping tower. So this is vertically actuating, so it goes up and down with a touch of 2 buttons. You have a nice big bimini top with some framework that is stationary. It'll stay up just like that, so it's going to provide you lots of sun or lots of shade in the sunshine. As we make our way to the back of the boat, notice all this beautiful detail on this G23 Paragon. This one is optioned out with the wake sub, so it has subwoofers in each side of the transom. So that's going to enhance the audio experience for the surfer or wakeboarder behind your boat. As we move back towards the platform, right now our platform is covered with the platform cover. This comes with the boat. It is an add-on option. But underneath this platform, this entire boat has the anthracite sea deck. It's a little bit darker sea deck, so you won't see a lot of dirt or footprints, which is great. Below the platform, you have the standard Nautique surf pipe. You have underwater lights. You will have your Nautique integrated steering assist right here. You have your NCRS, your Nautique configurable running surface, and your NSS, your Nautique surf system, which is the plate that deploys just outside of the boat. That's the exterior. Now, let's take a peek at the interior. Welcome to the interior of the Nautique G23 Paragon. First thing I'm going to point out are these nice cascading walkway into the boat. So you have these nice gradual steps that are easy on your knees. Again, it's got the anthracite sea deck all the way through into the interior. Moving to the loungers. So you have this nice big lounging seat here. So when you're anchored on a nice sunny day, you got a drink in your hand, you have this oversized seat with all the right bolstering, so you're very comfortable. Okay? When those chairs are actually folded down, it'll look just like this. You're gonna have sea deck on top. So when you enter the boat from a dock, you're not stepping on any upholstery. You have this nice big safe area to step. And that way you know you're not stepping on any vinyls, so you won't be ruining them. Okay? You're gonna have cup holders back here. You have more cup holders down below as well on each side. Okay, as we walk into the interior, one thing I'm gonna point out, we'll move to the tower. You have this beautiful Nautique strapless board racks that do swivel out, just like so. Lock into place, swivel them back in. This lifts up like this, slide your board in, clamp it down, you're good to go. Super easy and simple, okay? Again, you have this nice 3-stage telescoping tower. You have these big speaker housings on top. Now these speaker housings hold 2 speakers in each housing. So you have plenty of sound for anybody behind the boat that's surfing or wakeboarding, okay? You have this beautiful stitching that's on the actual tower itself. We're using Victory Red thread throughout the entire boat, so that ties in nicely up here, okay? On the tower, the actual bimini top itself, the structure, you'll have little pockets actually in the tower to store maybe a rope if you would like. You do have surf pockets on top of this bimini structure, okay? So you can store surfboards up there, which is great. Notice on this G23 Paragon that the bolstering, the cushioning, the thread, the fine details are absolutely incredible. As you open up each seat, they're on supported hinges. The inside of these compartments are all lined with sea deck. Okay, you're gonna notice that throughout the entire lineup of Nautiques. It's all gonna be lined with sea deck, so it's beautifully done. The fit and finish is fantastic. Now this boat does have the enhanced courtesy lighting package as well. So the cup holders in the interior, so in the cockpit area and in the bow, do light up, red, green, pink, whatever you want to choose. You can have it the way you want it, okay? Now, you do have a couple seats here that lift up and lock into place like this on the port and starboard side. So now you can have some friends or family sitting aft facing the surfer or the wakeboarder, whoever is riding behind the boat. So it just makes it a lot easier on people's necks. I know neck fatigue can be a big thing, especially if you're sitting weird in a boat. Having these benches are very nice. Now the passenger seat does flip up. Right now the cover is stored underneath there, but there's plenty of storage to have many, many things in there. Folds down like so. I will point out, passenger seat, captain's chair are both heated. The captain's chair is also electric, but I'll get back to that in a little bit. It's very nice to have a nice heated seat, especially on a cold morning in Minnesota. Also, it'll help extend your boating season into September, October if you want to go surfing. You just got to brave those cold temperatures in the water. Moving to the glove box. It's a recessed glove box, which is great because the captain can see through the windshield, which gives him great visibility. So it's a safety thing. Notice the nice premium stitching throughout the entire boat, on the seats, actually on the glove box as well. So those nice fine details. As you open up this glove box and you peek inside, you'll have compartmentalized spaces for your phones, wallets, and keys. You have a JL audio head unit as well as some phone chargers and some outlets to plug into the radio. Okay, so we're gonna move into the bow, then we'll come back to the helm area. Moving up into the bow in this G23, it's very spacious. You'll notice all these amazing contours and the bolstering up in the front here. You have 2 speakers up here as well. You have 3 speakers on each side, so you have 3 cup holders on each side, so you have 6 total cup holders up there, 2 of which have the lighting package in them, which is great because you can make that whatever you like, whether it's pink, green, blue, whatever color you want, you can have that up in the bow. One thing I'm also going to point out is this bow filler cushion. So you can flip over both of these cushions here to the sea deck side, so you can walk directly out of this boat not stepping on any upholstery. Otherwise, you can flip it over and have a huge sun pad up in the bow. Great for lounging, great for enjoying the sun. Moving to the captain's chair and the helm. This captain's chair is fully electric. There's 2 buttons down below to move this seat forward and back. Okay, it does also have a bolster on it. So if somebody needs to see up and over the windshield, they can do that with the bolster. You're gonna have a premium wrapped leather steering wheel here. Okay, you have all this beautiful stitching up on the dash. You have the link pan array off to your right and also a link pan array off to your left. Heater defroster up here. Now the link pan array off to your left will display your vitals and your information, while the one off to your right will display all of your pages. For example, ballast, courtesy lighting, your settings page, your home page, your ways to adjust your wave will all be on the right screen. Your left screen is stationary, nothing can change there. It just shows your vitals. Okay, moving to the armrest. The ergonomics are fantastic in this G23 Paragon, but it has an encoded rotary dial with hotkeys around that, and those hotkeys are what Nautique feels you will use the most. You have your throttle, and again your captain's chair, and you have also a wireless charger down there as well for your phones, so that's pretty cool. Lastly, before I go here, I want to point out your tower functions. So your tower buttons are here to control this vertically actuating tower. You also have your engine hatch buttons here as well. So the engine hatch is also actuating. So that'll actually come up and go down with a touch of those buttons. Pretty darn cool feature. You guys, this is the Nautique G23 Paragon. It's here at the MarineMax Rogers location. I encourage you to come stop by and view this boat, or give us a call. Either way, we can answer your questions and give you the best experience possible. Thank you. Have a great day.